guys, it's Tamara here, back with another video. This time I'm doing a quick view of my old apartment that I moved out of back in June 2018. I lived here for about 16 months. The first scene you see is the entryway. My apartment was very tiny, but all the furniture you see was provided by the owner. I only bought my bed and decorations. So this is the living room. I spent most of my time in here, and I'm pretty sure all the furniture is from IKEA. This was a great deal that I found. It was fully furnished. It included a parking spot, which was off the street, internet, and it was very close to public transportation, and it was right in the city, and it was only $1,200 a month. It also included pots and pans and those types of things. I had my own. And my favorite thing was the washer-dryer combo, because who doesn't love having your own washing machine in your apartment? From the living room, you pass through this tiny corridor, and to the left, oh, these came with the apartment. To the left is the door to the bathroom, and I'll just fast forward through this. It's just a regular teeny tiny bathroom, which was actually quite nice for what it was. This elephant represents a scene I saw in Botswana of elephants drinking from a watering hole. Next, once you leave the bathroom, you're in the bedroom. So the bedroom was also hardwood floors when I moved in, but the landlord carpeted the floors after I told him I could hear the person downstairs snoring. So this is my walk-in closet. It was the only closet in the apartment. It was a very good size, and I was able to keep everything inside that I needed. Leaving the apartment, you can see this ironing board behind the door, which I thought was pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. These pillowcases I got in Johannesburg. They were really cheap. You can find similar things at Target for way too much money. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye!